We now answer the fifth question, and I'll start by writing out the first few terms of that sequence at the top. Those are 12, 5, -2, -9, and -16. And we need to find the formula for the nth term of that sequence of numbers. So what we always start by doing is look into the differences between the terms as we move from left to right. So from 12 to 5, we're taking away 7. In other words, we're adding -7. From 5 to -2, we're taking away 7 again, so -7. From -2 to -9, we're taking away 7, so that's -7. And from -9 to -16, we're taking away 7 again. Now, since we're always adding the same amount, -7, this sequence is linear. And since it's a linear sequence, it means its formula must look like this. Un equals to A times N plus B. So our task now is to find the values of both coefficients A and B. And to do that, we use two equations. Those equations are A equals to the difference, and A plus B equals to the first term of the sequence. Now those two equations will be true for any linear sequence. And for this particular sequence, they turn into A equals to the difference, and the difference is -7. So that's A equals to -7. The second equation, A plus B, equals to the first term. And in this case, the first term is 12. So that is A plus B equals to 12. Those are our two equations. So we go ahead and solve them. A equals to -7. Well, there's nothing to do there. That's all done for us. The second equation, A plus B equals to 12. Well, since we know that A is -7, that turns into -7 plus B equals to 12. And we now add 7 to each side of this equation, which leads to B equals to 12 plus 7, and that's B equals to 19. And there we go. We now have both coefficients A and B, so we can go ahead and write this sequence's formula for the nth term. That would be Un equals to -7 times N plus 19. And we're done. That's the sequence's formula for the nth term.